I'm going to show you step 1 on solving this 3x3x3 Rubik's Cube. First, I'm going to scramble it. Now I randomly scrambled this cube, and I'm going to show you how to do the daisy bit of this daisy with the white edges surrounding this yellow center. Now first, find the edges. Edges are pieces with 2 sides on them, and you need to find white sides. So there's 1, there's 2. These are the last 2. Now you want them to surround this daisy. This one is next to this on the blue side. All I have to do is turn this up. Now this is next to the yellow center. These 2, I can just turn these up. And now these are next to the yellow center. The last one is here, and now all I have to do is turn this up to a yellow center. There are more complicated scrambles to find the white edges, but this is just our scramble, and there you have the daisy. The second step on solving the Rubik's Cube is to make the white cross. In our last video, we did the daisy method, where our white centers, our white edges are surrounding this yellow middle piece. Hence why this is called the daisy. We now need to create the white cross. The first step is having the edges match the center. What that means is they have to be the same color. So this is not the same color, so I need to turn this. These 2 are the same color, and whenever that happens, you need to turn this entire side 180 degrees. 1, 2. These 2 colors don't match, so I need to turn the cube. These 2 colors don't match, so I need to turn the top layer again. Now this time, these 2 colors match, and therefore I can turn this 180 degrees. You see, these 2 colors don't match, so I turn this layer. When these 2 match, I can finally turn this 180 degrees. This is the last edge, and of course these match together, so I'm going to turn this 180 degrees. This gives us the white cross, and these edges and centers match. Now this is going to be the third step on solving the Rubik's Cube. In our last 2 videos, we did in the daisy with the yellow center and the white surrounding it, and then we turned it into the white cross with these 2 center pieces matching up. Now we're going to have to do the corners with the white edge, the white sides on. So you need to find a corner that has a white edge. The corners are the 3 pieces. Now these 2 colors coordinate with the 2 colors it's supposed to go in between in. For example, I have to turn this corner up to here because there's white, orange, and green. White is going to be here, orange is going to be here, and green is going to be here. This is where you need to do your first move. This move is you're going to need this first move for the rest of the cube solving. To get this move here, or to get this piece here, you need to do the following moves. Right side up, top side left, right side down, and top to the right. As you can see, that piece is now in place. Now this piece has arrived with the white side, so we know this is what we need. There, the sides are red and green. we took the cube around and red, green, white. Now you need to do this right algorithm again. Right side up, top side left, right side down, and top to the right. It hasn't arrived in the correct orientation yet, so you need to repeat this. Right up, top left, right down, top right. Keep repeating these moves until that specific corner gets in the correct orientation. It's still here, so we need to do it one more time. And now that corner has gone in place. Now we have this corner, red, blue, white, and we have red, blue, white. Do the right algorithm again. Right side up, top left, right down, and top right. And you keep repeating these moves until this corner hits the correct place. Again, right up, top left, right down, top right. Now that corner is in its correct orientation. We've got one final corner now, and it needs to go here because it's the remaining corner, and blue, orange, white, blue, orange, white. Do the right algorithm again. Right up, top left, right down, top right. Right up, top left, right down, top right. Now all the white, now this face is done. It's covered with the entire white section, and you've now completed the first layer of the cube. We're going to do the third step on solving the Rubik's Cube. In our last video, in the last two videos, we did the daisy and the white cross. Now we are going to do the corners. Now find a corner with a white space and the two colors. Find the two coordinating colors, in this case red and blue, because this corner is going to go in between those colors. Now you're going to have to do the right algorithm if it's just above. If you don't know what the right algorithm is, go check one of our other videos. If it's not at the bottom yet. Now we're going to do the second layer. Last two videos we did the yellow daisy, white cross, the first layer, and now we are going to do the second layer. Now find an edge piece with two sides, find the two colors, it's supposed to go here. So it's going to slot right into place, blue and orange. Now what you need to do is turn it the opposite way. Left algorithm, again we have a video for that. Turn it to the other side, where the other corner, because we did it on blue, and do the right algorithm. Now it's here. Repeat this step for the next couple of times. Red and blue, find it. Red and blue, blue and red. Now since red needs to go here, it needs to go to the face the opposite side. And since it needs to go in this slot, right algorithm. Turn it this way, left algorithm. Now we've got this thing. It matches with the green, red here, red's here, opposite side. Now since it needs to go here, left algorithm. Turn it round to red, right algorithm. This one is the exact same thing. And now the entire second layer has been completed. This is going to be the yellow cross. You've done the first and second layers of the cube. Now, let's do the main structure. In my case, we have a dot, but yours might appear differently. It's going to be it's going to be either dot, top left, backwards L, a horizontal line, or it will already be done for you. Turn the front side right. Do the right algorithm. Turn it up. Now you need to flip this up. to this top right, top left L, backwards L. Turn it again, because, and right algorithm, turn it again. Now we have the horizontal line. You do it one more time, in this case, the algorithm, then turn it back up. As you can see, we have the yellow cross. We're going to do the center edge for the last layer. We've done the yellow cross, first and second layers. Now we do this step. You need to find two edges that are matching with its colors. So this matches, but none of the other edges do. So we turn it. This time no edges match, so we turn it again. Now we have orange matching. Are there any other colors matching? No, so we turn it again. This time we have two colors, and that's exactly what we need. Now have one color at the back and one on the right side. There's going to be another case where it's on opposite sides. We have another video for that. This is sort of an alternate algorithm. So right side up, tops left, right down, and then you top left again, right up, and then you slot it back into place by the top right and top right again, and slide it back down. Now move the top edge and see if any of the edges match. In this case, every single top layer middle piece has matched its colors. We are now ready to do the second to last step. We need to do the corners in not their correct orientation, but their correct position. We need to find a corner that is in the correct position. Red, green, red, blue. No. Orange, green, orange, blue. No. Orange, blue, green, orange, green. No. Red, blue, red, yeah. So none of the corners are in the correct position. It's fine, just start on any corner. Now what you need to do is have the corner you're focusing on your right side, and do the following algorithm. Again, we have another video for the algorithms. Put the top left, right up. This time, top right and left up. Top left and then right down, and then the top right and left down. Now see if there are any other corners matching. Yep, this one. Blue, because blue here, orange here, and yellow is going to be here. Now we have to focus on this corner because it's in the correct position. This will stay in the correct position if we do the algorithm. Top left, right up, top right, left up, top left, right down, top right, and left down. There are none of the corners are in the correct position, so we do it one more time. Now all of the corners in the correct position. Actually, these two are exactly the same orientation. These ones are in the correct position. No, not necessarily the correct orientation. This is the final step on solving the Rubik's Cube. So you have all these corners in the correct position. Now you need to turn the entire cube upside down. Right, so you need the unsolved edges on your right side. And do the right algorithm. So just a reminder, right side up, top left, right side down, top right. Keep on doing this. And that yellow slides down. Now, this time we've got to be careful. Don't turn the entire cube around. Turn the bottom, this layer only. And do the right algorithm. One more time. Now we only have to solve the layers, and just flick it, and all of the sides are solved.